guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So I am back again with a review video and I'm going to introduce you two more products from the momsco brand. So these are the two products. First is the momsco natural vitamin C face wash and another one is natural advanced face serum vitamin C 20% ferulic acid. So if you want to know what the product is like, what is the texture, how to use it, what are the benefits, then please keep on watching. So the first product is natural vitamin C face wash from the momsco. It has orange peel and vitamin B5 and it removes impurities and brightens our skin. It is a 100 ml product. It comes in a tube form and it is of 298 rupees. I will link it down below in the description box. If you want to purchase this, then you can purchase it from the link. And the packaging is quite normal, quite usual like the other face washes. So they claim that our natural vitamin C face wash protects our skin from pollution and UV induced skin damage, while the orange peels gently exfoliate to remove excess impurities, leaving the skin clear and brightened. The texture looks like kind of this. So you just have a little bit amount on wet face and then gently massage in a circular motion and rinse and pat dry for best result. This face wash smells heavenly citrusy. I love citrusy fragrance. So if you don't like strong fragrance face wash, then definitely you should go for this one because it doesn't have that strong aroma. This face wash has small granules, so while cleansing it exfoliates as well. Use it twice a day for best result. You should always wash your face twice a day. Orange peel is a very good ingredient to brighten your skin and to remove tan because it has vitamin C, it has citric acid. So this is the best ingredient if you want a bright, even toned skin. Paraben free, toxin free. It doesn't have SLS. It is dermatologically tested. It has natural ingredients, and it is an Australian certified toxic free product. So it is safe, completely safe to use. So I always believe in CTM. So after washing, after cleansing my skin, I always use toner. So I'm just going to use a vitamin C toner before using the serum. So the serum looks like this. It comes with a dropper and this is a 20% vitamin C serum with 0.5% ferulic acid. It reduces dark spots and it evens skin tone. And this is also dermatologically tested. This complete brand is dermatologically tested. It is paraben, SLS, toxic free. So this bottle comes with a dropper. I have a problem with the dropper because it doesn't take a lot of product in that, so you have to just dip it again and just pump it up and take it again and again. It doesn't come in one go. And this is not very thick, this is not very runny, it's somewhere in the middle. And this is how the texture looks like. So I take few drops of this serum and put it directly onto my face and then I apply it having circular motions, massage it gently, and then I keep on massaging until the serum is completely absorbed onto my skin. So this is a 20 ml bottle and it is of 699 rupees. There are two variants. You can get 10% vitamin C or 20% vitamin C serum. So I got the 20% one. So this serum has vitamin C. It is a potent antioxidant, stimulates collagen, synthesis, brightens and reduces dark spots. Ferulic acid protects the skin from free radicals, damage caused by pollution and sun exposure. Vitamin E moisturizes and repairs and prevents early signs of aging. Licorice root extract reduces dark spots, hyperpigmentation, evens skin tone and soothes the irritated skin. So if you want to buy these products, there are links in the description box, so do not forget to check it out if you want to buy it. So that's it for this video. I hope I have justified these two products, and let me know what you think about this video in the comment box. And if you have any other suggestion of any beauty or skincare product, then that also tell me in the comment box. I'll definitely consider that. And don't forget to like the video And don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. I'll see you next time in my next video. Till the time, stay safe, stay home. Bye.